Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need to start by confirming capability. Your iPhone 11 does not have Apple's built-in cinematic mode, so you'll use a workaround. First, make sure you're on the latest iOS to maximize camera performance and fix bugs. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. Next, pick and install a third-party app that supports depth or portrait video. This is how you simulate the cinematic blur. Once done, grant camera and microphone access so the app can record properly and use depth data. Open the depth or portrait video app and grant permissions. You'll see modes similar to photo, video, or portrait. Select the portrait or cinematic simulation mode, then position your subject about 1.5 to 2.0 meters away to create pleasing background separation. This distance gives the app room to estimate depth. Tap to lock focus and exposure so the camera won't hunt, and if the app offers bitrate or resolution controls, choose the higher settings for cleaner footage. Move slowly, smooth motion sells. Once you've captured clips, open the app's depth editor or import into a video editor to refine blur and simulate rack focus. This is where a cinematic feel is dialed in. Export at the highest resolution and frame rate the app supports, and keep an uncompressed master file so you can re-edit later. If the depth effect looks wrong, make sure the subject is well separated from the background and try again. Alternatively, apply manual masking in post. This fixes edge artifacts when automatic depth data fails.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.